What's up, everybody? Steven Z Killer here. Today I'm bringing you a brand new reaction. I hope you guys enjoy, but before we get into that, 77% of you guys are not subscribed. Now there's two reasons for that. You're either new or you're returning, and hopefully today you change that. With that in mind, you hit that subscribe button and join this community. Now, let's get into the video. Link down below for the original video, guys. If you guys want to check out this video in its entirety, by all means, link down below. Check it out, show your support, like the original video, do all that good fuck shit. And we're checking out Kirby videos by Eternal Montage. One that just recently uploaded and one that was uploaded like maybe about a year or so ago. And they're both related to Kirby. So let's get into the newest one that just dropped recently and enjoy it right now. Okay. A lot of strawberries. A green Chef Kirby. And that's only going to fill one mouth. What the fuck? Damn! Oh! To be honest, that donut doesn't look delicious. Is this supposed to be a weird racing Kirby game? Damn!
My 600-pound Kirbo. Monday nights at 8.
What the fuck? He's just eating everything! Ew. Wait, what happened to Meta Knight? They're getting so fat!
Chocolate! Chocolate!
Oh! That's a lot of fucking chocolate. And Meta Knight wins because he's the fattest? I don't think that was a good thing that he won. What was that? Okay, I don't know that Kirby game. I do not know that Kirby game at all. Dream Buffet something. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, go like and whatnot. This literally just dropped as of recording yesterday or the day before yesterday. So this is a pretty damn new video. Something about Kirby, the Amazing Mirror, animated, loud sounds, like always. Let's get into it. This one came out back in 2020, and it's got over 28 million views.
Shadowy figures unleashing chaos on the peaceful world. Meta Knight flies into the mirror world to protect Dreamland.
Okay. What's with the green one? Why was there a random chainsaw? just like Smash Bros. Now.
Do it, you! Do it!
Oh! Oh God, Florida. Oh! R.I.P. Pitt. And the green one. What in the fuck? Like the green one is gone. Oh, the green one was the creepy one with the eyes. And you can fly, well, fuck you. Oh, the green one's for the rescue! He turned a volcano to a boss. Interesting. Right in the eye. He's just gonna suck up the eye?
I forgive you.
Well, with him going to heaven and everything, you know for a fact that...
That motherfucker's dead!
What the fuck?
Puny eukaryotic beings.
One of them's gonna... Oh, I was about to say, one of them's about to eat him, isn't he? Oh, RIP, the red one's drowning. Or he's just gonna eat up all the water. Wait, the red one's back. Never mind. Donkey Kong barrel. Are you fucking serious? Did he really have to add in the fucking... the Baby Shark theme? I hear that in the background. Good, it's dead! It needs to stay dead! Yeah. Well, they're lazy enough and they don't want to walk. They just slide. So the whole point of this is what? Saving Meta Knights? Although Meta Knight's been stabbed and thrown into Florida, I don't think there's any saving him. Oh! What is even going on with this hat? This ain't Smash Bros. He went monkey. The fucking, the way they broke the fingers and the, it makes my hand I eat your sword and turn to Link.
So tasty.
Damn, he got fucking cooked into curry. Ow! Why, Meta Knight? They just did that to kind of save you.
Turbo. We meet at last.
Oh!
You are brave, little Turbo, but Mirror World will soon absorb Dreamland.
I saw Samus just show up like, wait a second. This is not my game. I'm out of here, bitches.
The internet is tired of your chromosomes. Your crusade ends here.
I feel like the joke has gone too far. It's become dramatically unfunny. I hope that gets... whatever. Fuck off.
Deliver me from mine enemies, O my God. Defend me from them that rise up against me. Deliver me from the workers of iniquity, and save me from bloody men. The mighty are gathered against me. Awake to help me, and behold.
Oh my God!
No! This is impossible!
I didn't even mean to do that joke on purpose.
With man, this is impossible. But with
Jesus with the 7 Dragon Balls!
God, all things are possible.
And so, Dark Mind was defeated, and his dream of conquering Dreamland was shattered.
R.I.P. Green One once again. Anyways, that was awesome. Oh yeah, there might be something at the end. Oh, there might. There is something at the end. Let's skip on over. Luigi's Mansion? That's the only thing I can think of was Luigi's Mansion. Why is Kirby at Luigi's Mansion? Alrighty then. Kirby and Luigi hanging out. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a very fun one to check out. I did have a bit of confusion in the middle of the video because I guess I clicked on the wrong one when I grabbed the second Kirby video. But you know what? It still worked out at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out more videos down below in my channel. Links and all that stuff. If you guys want to check all that stuff out. And I'll see you guys in the next video in general. So, till then, later!
This is the Prince of the motherfucking Saiyans, and I am ordering you to subscribe to Steven Z. Killer!